This is hachis parmentier, France's answer to shepherd's pie. It's packed with baked, velvety mashed potatoes. It's simple, satisfying, and perfect for a cozy night in. Full recipe is down below. Enjoy. This is poulet à la moutarde, a French bistro classic with tender chicken cooked in a tangy and creamy mustard sauce. It's surprisingly simple to make and comes together in no time. Perfect for an easy yet elegant weeknight dinner. Enjoy. This is limoncello tiramisu, layers of limoncello soaked ladyfingers, paired with luxury and a hint of lemon zest. The bright, citrus-forward flavors make each bite perfectly balanced. It's easy to make and ideal for preparing ahead of time. Full recipe is in the description. Enjoy.